Hello guys, today we have a problem here with the digital weight scale. This is totally dead. I already plugged to the power, and when we turn on the switch from the right side, it's not showing anything. So yeah, I'm gonna try to check this. I'm gonna try to find what's going wrong inside, and maybe I'm gonna open, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, first we need to remove the cover and we need to unplug the power cable. So this machine working with the AC power cable and also with the battery inside. So I'm gonna check the battery first. The battery is below here. We need to unscrew these two screws. Okay, this is a kind of hard to open because of we have tapes here. We need to find the voltage. I think it's under the glue. 4 volt and 4 ampere hours. So I need to check with my multimeter. Voltage DC, this is the symbol. Volt DC, and we can test the positive and negative cables. We have 220 millivolt. This is very low. I guess the battery is dead. Okay, I'm gonna try to bypass without the battery if it's working until I found the replacement for the battery. Okay, now I'm gonna try to open this. Yeah, we still have screws here. Careful, we have one cable attached here. We can unplug this. Okay, this is our digital weight machine. This is the inner parts of the machine. And then the next thing, I need to check the switch. We have the on-off switch here. Usually the switch is broken also. Sometimes this switch is making the machine is not turning on. I need to check the switch. Okay, this is going to the power, AC power. Going to here, I think this one is this transformer. I need to check the transformer here. Okay guys, this is our power supply board. When I checking one by one the resistor, transistor, the transformer, so I got some suspicious value from the capacitor here. I already desoldered this. This is 47 microfarad and 10 volt. 47 and 10 volt. So when I check with my multimeter with the capacitance tester, this is the capacitance symbol, NF, nanofarad or microfarad. Negative with the black, positive with the no stripe. I have no value reading. See, I don't have a reading value from the capacitor. Let's check again. It is showing 1.0. It's supposed to be 470 microfarad. This capacitor is bad. We need to replace. Okay guys, I have this new battery. This is the same 4 volt and 4 ampere hours. Let's compare with the old one. This is the old one. Let's check with the volt DC. This is the symbol. We switch to the DC. This one, DC. 379 millivolt. This is under 1 volt, so this is very low. Now with the new one, let's check. This is 4.2 volt, almost 4.3. So this battery is still in the good capacity, full capacity. So while I'm repairing this power supply, this is a power supply for the recharging the battery and also supply the board into 6 volt. As you can see on the cap here, where is the cap? Oh, this one. If you can read here, the output is 6 volt 500 milliamp. So what I'm planning to do is, I found several parts, several components are broken. This capacitor I already replaced, and I check also this one, this transistor. The first one is MGE13003 and the second one is S9014. Basically this is a power supply that supply 6 volt DC to the machine and 500 milliamp. So you can use any adapter that using 6 volt or 5 volt, that will be okay, because some parts I cannot find in the market right now. Maybe later if I can find the parts, maybe I will replace this, maybe I will fix this. But yeah, maybe I'm gonna try to use an adapter to replace the power supply. Okay guys, I'm gonna try the new battery. Let's plug directly to the machine. Before we are using soldering iron, now I'm using a connector like this. Let's turn on the switch. Yes, it is working now. When you press the weight, it is working. So yeah, basically the machine is not broken, it's only the power supply, this one. So yeah, we need to replace this or repair this. It is up to you. I think buying a new set of adapter is more cheaper than finding these two transistors. So yeah, let's wait for the power supply to be arrived and let's see how it works. Hello guys, today my adapter is finally arrived. As you can see, we have a 6 volt and 500 milliampere. This is exactly what I need. I kind of have a difficulty to find this transistor. These two transistors is broken based on my testing. Also this 47 16 volt or 10 volt is also broken before. I already replaced this with the 16 volt. And yeah, I'm gonna try this. You can also using the other adapter for a smartphone that using 5 volt, or maybe you have an old adapter for a smartphone that you are not using anymore but still working. You can use it. Okay, this is for the AC input and this one is for the DC output, plus and minus. If there's no symbol like this, plus or minus, if you confuse where to put the plus and minus cable, you can always see the capacitors. This capacitor also have a white strip, indicates that is negative, and without strip is a positive side. Okay, I already removed the cables from the new adapter. This is the old one. I will put back into the case. Okay, this two red cable is for the AC input, and this is for the output for the 6 volt. Red one is for the plus, the yellow one is for the negative. Okay, let's check with the power cable. Let's plug. Let's choose the DC voltage. This is the symbol for the DC voltage testing, DC. Okay, I'm gonna plug this. And as you can see, we have a LED standby for the AC. It's already turning on. And let's check the output. Yes, we have 5.4, showing 5.4. It is good. Maybe already consumed by LED, so it's not 6 volt anymore. Yeah, it's good. It's making a 6 volt output. Okay, let's turn on. This is the switch. Try. Okay, the machine is now working again, guys. Let's put all this part back together. Okay guys, finally we are done. The LED is turning on, indicates the AC power is coming and charging the batteries, and we can turn on from the right side. Everything is good now. You can also store to the memory 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even if you want to work without the cables, so I'm gonna try to unplug the cables. So it's still turning on because of we already replaced the battery, lead acid battery, 4 volt 4 ampere hours. So the AC LED is turning off because I'm unplugging the power cable. So yeah, that's it for today guys. We fixed this digital weight scale before it's totally dead. We are analyzing the batteries and the power supply, and I hope you enjoy the videos. I hope this is help. Thank you for your like and subscribe. It will support me making more videos in the future about electronics. And yeah, see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Terima kasih and bye bye.